Learning with GBA, Episode 9, Customer Journey Mapping Masterclass, Designing Your Customer Journey Experiences. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗻𝗋𝗆 and I am the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. Do you know where a customer journey starts? Do you know where it ends? Most importantly, how do you meet your customers, where you engage with them, and what you offer them are also questions that need to be answered today. So how do you find this out? This is what this program is all about. How you engage, where you engage, and what kind of emotions you evoke are very important things that you need to learn when designing your customer journey experience. A journey map is mapped out to help you identify touch points, the story you tell, and the processes where you engage with your audiences. Here are some key learning outcomes. Develop an overarching customer journey map. Master and manage the experience your customers receive at every touch point and chart out those key actions at each step. Improve your organization's branded experience delivery. Gain actionable ideas and frameworks that you can use to impact your customer at every stage of the customer journey. In this masterclass, you will learn to better master your customer journey touchpoints and develop a powerful plan that will improve your customer experience. You will learn how to create powerful journey maps to help you identify with every key interaction of your customer. For inquiries, visit our website or social pages. Links are in the bio. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗻𝗋𝗆and this is Learning with GBA.